Today we will learn the names of birds. Let's begin. Parrot, green talking bird. Pigeon, soft and gentle. Crow, black and clever. Peacock, dancing with colorful feathers. Sparrow, small and chirpy. Eagle, strong and flying high. Owl, the wise night bird. Duck, quack quack in the pond. Hen, lays eggs for us. Rooster, cock-a-doodle-doo in the morning. Goose, big white bird. Turkey, gobble gobble sound. Swan, graceful on the water. Dove, symbol of peace. Kingfisher, small, colorful, and fast. Woodpecker, tapping on the tree. Penguin, waddles in the snow. Flamingo, pink and tall. Ostrich, the largest bird. Vulture, flying high in the sky. You did great! Now you know the names of birds. See you next time!
Hello, kids! Today we are going to meet some amazing insects. Butterfly!
Look, a butterfly, colorful and bright, flying happily in the light.
Here's an ant, tiny and small, crawling slowly, that's all.
Buzz, buzz, it's a bee, flying busy, happy and free.
A mosquito with a long nose, buzzing everywhere it goes.
See the fly, tiny and fast, zipping by as it zooms past.
Grasshopper jumps so high, hopping up into the sky.
A ladybug red with spots so neat, crawling slowly, looking sweet.
Dragonfly, look, a dragonfly with shiny wings,
Flying near the water springs.
a beetle with a shiny shell, walking slowly, all is well.
Caterpillar, see the caterpillar on a leaf, crawling gently, short and brief.
Spider, here's a spider spinning a thread, making a web for its bed.
Cricket sings a chirpy song, jumping happily all day long.
Wasp with yellow and black stripes, flying around, buzzing types.
Termite,
Here's a termite, tiny and quick, chewing wood with a little trick. Moth with wings so light, flying softly in the night.
cockroach, look, a cockroach, shiny and brown, running fast around the ground.
Firefly, a firefly glowing in the night.
Tiny bug with a shining light.
Praying mantis, see the praying mantis tall, folding arms and watching all.
Flea, a flea so tiny, jumping high, bouncing quickly, oh my, oh my.
Earwig, here's an earwig, not too tall, crawling gently,
Not scary at all.
Great job, kids! You learned so many insects today. Keep watching our animals series to discover more amazing creatures.